What's up? What's up, Spazzle fam? So here's a quick, cool update, I guess. First of all, where do I even start? Today's been a weird day, okay? Wow, I'm sweating. It's fucking hot in my room. Holy shit. This light is not helping at all. Today, at work, I go out to go grab coffee. I see a seagull flying, and he has some big pink thing in his mouth. Thought he had like a sausage or something, like a raw sausage in his mouth or something. Then I hear a little girl crying, and the parents were like, oh, it's okay. Apparently, that was the little girl's shoe, and the seagull stole it. What a dick. And then, we walk further, and then there's a guy getting arrested. I'm thinking in my head, why are you arresting that guy? I don't care what he did. Go arrest that seagull. You don't take a little girl's shoe. No, you don't do that. Aside from all that, I'm drinking some bitch-ass watermelon sparkly water. I don't know. It's a bitch drink, okay? But it tastes good. It's very scary because it tastes just like sparkly water. But I saw it on a commercial, and then I saw some lady pick it up, and I was like, that looks fucking good. So I got it. And the best thing of all, since I ordered this when I went to my girlfriend's house like last week, I ordered this to her house so that way I could just get it there. But it got lost in transit. But I got it, and I ordered it again. It is my tattoo kit. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing, and it's very interesting. But I'm learning as I go. I'm looking up tutorials and stuff. But I think I've got it, and I got my fake skin. Gonna practice on that, and hopefully I will get better and know what the hell I'm doing. That's a little quick update. I'm gonna go ahead and just chill and learn how to do this, and yeah. So, peace out, Spazzle fam. Like and subscribe. It means a lot. As always, I appreciate you guys. Peace out. Spazzle Fox out.